Hey, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Uh, since today is holiday, so I'm just sharing the learning video for the students who are taking reading and listening class. Yeah, so I'm sharing about Unit 2. You can check in the material. The title is Careers in Engineering. Yeah, so the focus of this material is about part of speech, or in Bahasa Indonesia is jenis kata. Yeah, so let me share the PowerPoint here. Okay, so there are some points that I would like to discuss. The first one is before you read, vocabulary list while reading. After you read, part of speech, listening. Yeah, I'm just talking a bit about listening here. Yeah, so the first thing that you have to do before you do the quiz and also um, open this learning video is you have to download the materials that I have shared in my class. Yeah, so you can download, you can print, or you can open in your device. It can be laptop or handphone. So the first one is before you read, we are talking about jobs in engineering. So the first question is, what do you want to be after you graduate from mechanical engineering? Yeah, I have asked about it when I have an academic supervisor meeting last week. Yeah, and then some students wants to be entrepreneurs, and then some students want to be employee. Yeah, so in the material I provide some pictures, and then what are they, what do they do? Yeah, the first one is design engineering, design engineer, and then we have tool maker. So what is tool maker? Find the definition in your dictionary. And then the next one we have welder. Yeah, so professions in mechanical engineering vary. There are various professions. Yeah, so you can choose what do you want to be, or maybe you want to be lecturer. Of course you can. Yeah. And then the next one, we have vocabulary list, just like what I shared in the learning video last week in Unit 1. Yeah, from this vocabulary list, what list or what vocabulary that you think it contain in specialized term in your department. Jadi, kosakata mana yang berhubungan dengan program teknik mesin. Yeah, for example, we have a product production, application, design, and then technician, machinery, maintenance. Yeah, just like that, for example. And then I also provide a reading text. Yeah, the title is Jobs in Engineering. Yeah, you can read by yourself. Yeah, the first one is professional engineers. So there are two types of professional engineers. The first one is a design engineer. They create new products and extend the life of old products by updating them and finding new applications for them. The second one is installation engineers. They assure that the product process is efficient, but that materials are handled safely and correctly. And then after the uh, professional engineer, we have a technician and engineer technician who has a task laboratory technician installation and service technician, production planning and control technician, inspection technician, debug technician, drugman or women designers. And then after that, you also have craftsmen and women who work as toolmaker, filter, maintenance filters, welder, yeah, and electricians. And then the last one is operator, who needs fewer skill. Yeah, so read the text that you have in your material before you answer the question. So what question that you should answer? Yeah, you only need to match between the description of the job and the name of the job. Yeah, you can find it in your material. And then the next one, we have part of speech. There are 8 parts of speech in the English language. So there are noun, pronoun, verb, adjective, adverb, preposition, conjunction, and interjection. So each of them have a different function. Yeah. Some of you maybe, or maybe all of you have been familiar with some of part of speech here. And then next time, or in the exercise, you have to categorize the words into which part of speech they contain. Yeah. So let me give you a bit description about each part of speech. The first one is noun. Noun is the name of person, place, thing, or idea, or we can say it is kata benda. Yeah, for example, productions, products. And then we have pronoun, a word used in a place of a noun. Yeah, so ini adalah kata ganti. Misalnya he, she, it, they, this, that. And then the next one we have verb. Kata kerja expresses actions or beings. For example, produce, reduce, create. And we have adjective or kata sifat. Modifies or describe a noun or pronoun. So usually adjective describe a noun. For example, beautiful girl. So the beautiful here describe about the girl herself. Yeah. The example here are creative, innovative, great. Yeah. The next one we have adverb. Adverb means kata keterangan, modifies or describe a verb, an adjective, or another adverb. For example, safely, correctly, quickly. And then the next one we have preposition, or in bahasa Indonesia we call it kata depan or awalan, yeah, because awalan and kata depan have a different function, yeah. So a word placed before a noun or pronoun to form a phrase modifying another word in the sentence. For example, by, with, from, until, and etc. We also have conjunction atau kata sambung, ya. It joins word phrases or clauses, for example, and, but, also, because. And the last one is interjection. It's a word used to express emotion, ya, semacam kosakata di mana itu mengekspresikan emosi, misalnya wow, oops, oh, gitu, or aha, yeah, just like that, yeah. And then the last one is listening. Yeah, you can check in the listening material. It's about job interview for the opening. Yeah. So have you ever done a job interview? And how did you feel it? Yeah. So what questions that usually asked to the interviewee? So you have to prepare yourself from the introduction. So you introduce yourself, and then after that, some interviewers will ask about the reasons why you apply the job, what your skill, how much salary do you want to get, and etc. Yeah. So um, what tips do you have any tips in doing a successful job interview? Yeah, you can discuss about that. And then what kind of job do you want to do? Yeah, that is just like the first question that I was asking in the first slide. Yeah, so what do you want to be after graduate from this university? Yeah, okay. So after you watch this learning video, you can reread the material and do the quiz. Okay. Yeah. So that's all from me. Thank you very much. And I'll see you next week. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.